But now, once you got into politics, are there some things that stood out that you did not expect, possibly on a negative side, that I didn't expect this to be part of what happens, but now you realize that, wow, this is the way it is?
Oh yeah, there are so many things that you, especially in the early stages, that you come across in politics that you would not perhaps have anticipated. Sometimes the challenges with the people you work with, there are levels of jealousies and rivalry that sometimes is perhaps not quite understood until you are actually in the arena itself.
Right.
And I can pick up a few incidents when I was in government, and particularly when I was at the Treasury, then as Minister for Finance, and you find that you have to make very, very serious and fundamental decisions for the sake of the country. But little do you realize that you're actually trampling on people's toes from a personal perspective. While you're doing your national assignment, there are others who are feeling it very, very personally. And there are moments that these groups of people, without naming any individuals, really coalesced to make sure that they made my assignments extremely difficult, wanting to push you out and wanting to make sure that you do not achieve what you're supposed to achieve.
Okay.
So there are those kind of challenges.
Those challenges. Yeah. All right, let's come to national issues. And I'd want, first of all, to talk about your political career, but there's